Hi, this is Marek here. I'm going to talk to you about occipital neuralgia, the condition in which you have headaches, especially on the back of your head, and then you can have it even on the top of your head. The pain can radiate to the side of your head and also along the jaw towards your mouth. Sometimes you can develop the pain around your eye, even behind the eye. In occipital neuralgia, you've got a problem with the occipital nerve, which get compressed, and also suboccipital muscles are very tight and put a lot of pressure on the nerve. This you can clearly sense behind your ear, pressing on the muscles. They are very tight. So not only you likely to develop muscular pain on the top of your neck, but also you may have a dysfunction of the joint connecting the skull with the top vertebra of the neck, and the not functioning, the joint which is not functioning very well will affect the muscles in the neck and vice versa. So those joints joining in between the skull and the neck, they carry a lot of weight, they carry the head during the day. There is a lot of pressure on those structures. Thanks to those joints, we are able to move our head forward and backwards. So it's this movement forward and backwards that we can do during the day. You can test if this movement is also painful in your case, and this movement will be, sometimes you may feel like it's one of the joints is blocked on one side of your spine and it may not function properly. So this may be a good indication that you may have a problem with the joint, and this is causing the pain, and also is causing occipital neuralgia, the problem with the nerve, and the nerve gets squashed, and this is why you've got a lot of tightness in the top of your neck. The pain that you're likely to have is piercing, stabbing, sharp. It's like an electric current going through your skull and muscles. It can really affect your quality of life and just your activities during the day. You may wonder how it gets to the point where you have pain, what is causing the pain, and there are quite a few causes of the pain or reasons. One of them is the position of your head. Take a farmer who's working throughout the day with his misaligned neck and holding the head in one position for a prolonged period of time. The brain is sending the information to muscles and joints that this position of the head is normal. So by the end of the working day, when he gets up, he's trying to straighten his head, but now he develops this pain, and it's not that easy because the muscles get the information that they need to be holding the head in a different position. Working at the desk can be quite risky as well when it comes to occipital neuralgia. So working at the desk, moving your shoulders forward, straightening your arms, this is clearly not good for your shoulders, but also it's not good for your neck and neck muscles and joints in your neck. So moving your head inch forward will create a lot of pressure and tension around the neck and neck joints. So this in turn will give you pain as well at some point and may cause occipital neuralgia and pain radiating to your head. So remember, if you've got a desk type of work, remember not to straightening your elbows, not to work with your arms straightened out, and remember not to lean forward and not to slouch. Always remember to move your shoulders backwards. Slouching and curving your spine will create a lot of tension and will put a lot of pressure on your neck. So try to keep your head straight, not to move the head too much forward, and this will allow you to prevent any pain in the future. Another situation is pain developing as a result of sport injuries and also as a result of trauma in car accident or motorcycle accident, for instance, where clearly the neck is involved, and as a result of trauma, then the tissues around the neck gets damaged and the ligaments, and this is why you may have this type of pain with occipital nerve. And the last thing that may giving you this type of problem or issue is to do with stress in your life and also emotional state and psychological state that is causing the pain in long term. So we know very well that too much stress in your life is not good. It doesn't have a good effect on your muscles, tendons, and we tend to tighten up quite a lot. And muscles are very good at sensing loads of stress in our life, and they tend to respond in tension and tightness. There are a few exercises that you can do in the comfort of your house, of your home, and those exercises are very useful for relaxing your neck muscles, for improving the joint play and your neck, allowing you for more movement around your neck and head, making sure that the pain subsides, it doesn't get too bad. Make sure if it's too much pain, stop doing those exercises. The first one is moving your head downwards and then bending your head and then using a little bit of overpressure. You can also combine it with breathing, so breathe in and also breathe out and use a little bit of overpressure and hold the stretch for 1 to 2 seconds. This will allow for more movement in that top cervical joint, will allow the joint capsules to stretch a little bit and will help you. Now, the second exercise that I have is also chin tucks. So it's moving your head not upwards, not downwards, but moving it in parallel to the surface, to the floor, like I'm showing here. And also we can combine it with breathing, and doing quite a few repetitions is good. You can hold the stretch for 1 to 2 seconds. You can combine it with moving your shoulders backwards as well. So chin tuck and shoulders go backwards. And now with chin tucks you can also move your head downwards, so chin tuck and then move your head downwards, and this will allow for a nice stretch. Another exercise is when you make a fist and hold it under your chin and then use another hand to press forward and upwards. Pushing your head forward and upwards will create also a good movement in your neck and in your muscles and in your joints. And lastly, I have this exercise with a towel. It's a good exercise that will help you mobilize neck muscles and joints. So putting your towel this way, make sure you don't put it under your chin, straight on the neck. Make sure it comes on the top of your jaws, and then hold on both sides the towel. And now to do this exercise, you drop one part of the towel, one side of the towel, like I'm doing it now, and also you have to swap hands. So the left hand is coming on the right corner of the towel, and then you turn to the left towards the point of restriction, and you can use a little bit of overpressure and count to 2-3 seconds and then relax, and then you can repeat this exercise on each side quite a few times. Make sure once again don't keep the towel between under your chin, and avoid what I'm doing now, which is turning your whole torso and the whole body. Just make sure that the body is straight and the neck is in one position. Concentrate on turning the head in this exercise. And I can show you the same, but all for the other side of the neck. So on this occasion I will drop the right side and swap the hands, and I can move the head to the right. And use a little bit of overpressure and hold a few seconds and relax. And repeat a few times again. So you can do it, all those exercises at home. Make sure if you feel more pain, stop doing them, consult your doctor or physiotherapist. That's it for today. I don't have anything else to show you. Remember to subscribe my channel. Next time I'm going to talk about cervical instability, and this cervical instability can have a lot of impact on your health, can lead to a lot of problems and affect your health, and it will be good if you keep in touch with me, put any comments below. Thank you, bye bye.